Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use reading mode in Chrome browser. With reading mode, you can personalize your screen reading experience on Android. You can customize the contrast, color, and font size of text without changes to the content. You can also use the Read Aloud feature to have the content read out for you. To use reading mode, your device must run Android 9 and up. Reading mode currently is only available on Android's phone. On your Android, open the Google Play and tap Search for Reading Mode. Then, select the Reading Mode app. Tap Install and then open the Reading Mode app. Follow instructions in the tutorial and you get redirected to the accessibility settings menu. Tap Installed Apps, tap Reading Mode, and turn on Reading Mode shortcut. To allow reading mode permissions, tap Allow. Tip: you can also set up other shortcuts to turn on reading mode. On your Android device, tap on Settings, scroll down to the Accessibility, tap on Installed App, and tap on Reading Mode. Then, Reading Mode shortcut. To turn on reading mode shortcuts, tap on volume keys, tap hold volume keys, and use button or gesture. Tap gesture. You can use reading mode on websites or apps with long article. Tap the floating button or any other ways you set to activate reading mode to open reading mode. While reading, you can dynamically change its layout. Tap the play button to have the content read aloud for you. And reading mode currently doesn't support PDF files, emails, chat, and social media feeds. In reading mode settings, you can change the color theme, font size, font type, bold, line space, reading voice, and reading speed. On any website with long-form text, open the reading mode at the bottom left and tap Settings. And then tap Display. And tap Audio. If you turned on voice access and switch access before reading mode, you must turn them off and on again to make sure that voice access and switch access can always stay on top and work properly with reading mode. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.